In this video, we're going to show you to install the sway bar end link on your Toyota Camry located behind the rear wheels. Using a pry tool, go ahead and pop off your center cap. Using your 21mm socket, loosen and remove the lug nuts. Go ahead and grab that wheel, remove it, and set it aside. Now on our unit here, we have a 14mm nut and we have an Allen key in the middle. Now sometimes you can go ahead and use a socket and zip this nut off. Ours is rusted, so we're going to use the Allen key to go ahead and loosen this. This is a number 5. We're going to use our 14mm wrench. Do the same process on the bottom. Go ahead and remove that unit. And take your new link. Get that nut started on there. Do the same for the top. And go ahead and tighten these down. This is using a 15mm for this nut. Go ahead and torque these down to 47 foot-pounds. Go ahead and repeat for the other side. Grab that wheel. Good, line that up. Let's go ahead and get our lug nuts started. Let's go ahead and snug these down. Go ahead and torque down your lug nuts to 76 foot-pounds. And do this in a crisscross or star pattern. And if you have a center cap or hubcap, go ahead and install that now. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.